Hello sir, thank you for your trust. I have built your Notion template and I am recording this video to show you what I have done and how you can use this Notion template. So first of all, here is the overview of complete Notion template. So here is the logo of this template, then the banner of this template, then the template name like Smart Project Management System. Then here is the purpose of this template in 2 lines, and then here is the instruction of this template like how this template. Just need to click here. So when you click here, so you read all instruction about this template. Then here is the navigation section. I have built this pages like project, people, task, user story, acceptance criteria, ideas. Even you can see their uh, pages in the right side. Let's suppose this is your Notion template smart project. You just need to click here in the to-do list. Here you can see the all pages like project, people, task, user story, and so more. So first we need to describe each pages with the database, then we will move next. So this is the first page, project name. So in this page I have built this database like project name and project lead. So relation this with lead database. I have tested if this is working. Then due date, status, description, problem, and then why, success criteria, audience, what, how, when, and task relation, database with task, user story, relation with user story, acceptance criteria, relation with acceptance criteria, database, ideas, relation with ideas, database. So here this is table view, and here you can check out by project board in Kanban view. Then here is the timeline section. Then here is the priority maximize like in progress, not stop, on hold. So this is first database of project page. Then second page is people. So in people page section I have set up this database like name, people name, role, email, phone number, start date, project, relation with the project database, assigned task, relation with assigned task, department. I have add this just easy to use purpose. And last is notes section. Here you can check out by these by department in like data in board view, then contact directory in gallery view. So this is overview of people page with database. Then third page is task. So inside of task page I have built the database like task name, description, project relation, relation with the project database, assigned relation with people database, status, priority, due date, acceptance criteria, relation with the acceptance criteria database. Then last is note section. So this is like task table view. Then you can check out by board view, then calendar view, then priority tasks view. So this is task database. Then next page is user story. So in user story page, inside of this page there is the database like story id, project, connect with the project database relation, then user type, then functionality, then goal, priority, status. This is table view. Then check out by a status view, then priority view, then by project view. In this like no project in those. So this is the overview of user story database. So next page is acceptance criteria. So inside this page here you can like check out criteria id, then task relation with the task database, project relation with the project database, then action, then outcome, status, note section. Here you can check out by status view and by project view. So this is acceptance criteria database, and last one is idea section. So in ideas page, so inside this page I have set up this database like idea name, description, project, relation with the project, database, created date, submitted by, relation with the people database, status, then is demand yes no, then technically, then converted story like converted by user story with connect relation with the converted user story database. So this is overview of navigation like page section. So hope we have discussed these all pages. Here you can check out like I have add watch, just easy to use, and then time like date section like date calendar. You can check out the date section. So in front here you can check out like new project एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः six like perfect. Like here you can see quick action. So here I have set up like button like when we need to add new item something. Here we just need to connect like create a button like just click, then item will be created. Here is a new project. This action will be saved in project database like the new task, new idea, new show user acceptance, new person. So for this purpose, when I click in new project, so new item will be created, and in the right side page will be open. So here we need to like put these all information, then there it will be automatically move in project database section. So here is the in the main dashboard. Here I have connect a link database like this is project database. So active project will be show here like in progress project. Here I have add filter and sort section. So active project will be show here, 2 day task will be show here in, then a new idea, like you can put out new ideas here, like then team members here, then last is upcoming deadline. So upcoming deadline you will see in the calendar view section. So this is complete overview of your Notion template. Review this complete template overview, and let me know if you need any changes and something. So last is how you can use this like transfer this Notion template into your own account. I am going to give you access of this template. So I am going to send you this template link. So when you see like let's suppose this is like your Notion database in this Gmail section, you just need to open new tab and paste this link that I will send you. So when you open new tab and paste the Notion template link, so this template will be shown in this format. So here you can check out the duplicate button. When you click here, so this template automatically transfer in your main account. Hope everything is good, and if you need any changes let me know. I am here for your help. Thank you. I am waiting your feedback.